Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 328 5th Street, Apartment 1 in Fall River, Massachusetts. This is a first floor, 2-bedroom apartment located in Fall River, Massachusetts. As you can see here, this main room has hardwood floors as well as a space heater to keep the apartment nice and warm during the cold seasons. This also has a large walk-in closet right in the main room. As you can see, it goes in a little bit. We also have the fridge right here out in this main room. We have some vinyl tile floors in the kitchen as well as a tile backsplash and countertop and a gas stove next to the stainless steel sink. Moving on to the first bedroom. This is the smaller of 2 bedrooms, enough to fit maybe a twin size mattress, nothing more. Ideal for a child's room or an extra office room. Has a small closet here as well. Going back out, we have the second bedroom, the larger of the two. This can fit a queen size mattress at most. Has its own closet in the room as well. This unit is a nice, quaint and cozy apartment, ideal and perfect for couples or single people. And we can see here we have a Clawfoot tub along with the tile wall, sink here, and the toilet. And this unit is managed by Nexus Property Management, meaning you have benefits such as key copying service, being able to make payments of rent online, as well as access to a 24-hour hotline number for all your service and maintenance needs. Again, this is 328 5th Street, Fall River, Massachusetts, Apartment 1.